Hi, welcome back to my arranging series where I'll be posting a series of videos explaining the basics of arranging pop songs for piano. So in this series of 8 videos, I'm discussing pieces I've hand-selected that represent music throughout the decades, starting from the 1950s and working our way up to today. And in my last video, we discussed the most famous song from the 2000s, and for this video, we're looking at one of the most prominent pop singers of today, Lana Del Rey. And one of her most famous songs, Summertime Sadness, was originally released in 2012. She's an American singer-songwriter, and her songs are described as being cinematic and romantic and melancholy. And Summertime Sadness is one of her most notable works, as well as Young and Beautiful from the Great Gatsby soundtrack. So that is what we're going to be looking at today. So to start off, the BPM is quarter note equals 112. The original is 124. I wanted to slow it down since the students are sight reading. There's not a lot of tricky rhythms, but it is still a slower song, so I'd rather them go slower than faster. The key signature is in D minor, transposed up a half step from the original C sharp minor, since one flat is a little bit easier to keep track of than 4 sharps. And the main singing melody is in the right hand. It starts here in the first verse, even though in the original song, they first sing a part of the chorus in the beginning. The left hand has kind of a unique chord progression. You start with the 6, and then the 1, then the 7, then the 4. So that's B flat major, D minor, C major, and then G minor. The rhythm is pretty basic here, and the chord progression repeats throughout the piece. The dynamics follow the form as always, which outlines the first verse, and then the pre-chorus, and then the chorus right here.